Hillary Clinton warns the U.S. Supreme Court could overturn its landmark ruling that legalized gay marriage. She's also urging same-sex couples to get married before it happens. The former Secretary of State made the comments to Fox News host Jessica Tarlov, who co-hosts the Raging Moderates podcast alongside Scott Galloway.
It took 50 years to overturn Roe v. Wade. The Supreme Court will hear a case about gay marriage. My prediction is they will do to gay marriage what they did to abortion. They will send it back to the states. Anybody in a committed relationship out there in the LGBTQ community, you ought to consider getting married, because I don't think they'll undo existing marriages, but I fear that they will undo the national right.
Clinton's prediction comes as the court faces a new request to revisit Obergefell versus Hodges, the 2015 ruling that legalized same-sex marriage nationwide. In July, the former Kentucky county clerk who refused to issue marriage licenses to same-sex couples, Kim Davis, formally petitioned the justices to overturn the decision. Even if Obergefell were overturned, the federal government would still be required to recognize same-sex and interracial marriages under the 2022 Respect for Marriage Act. But the law does not require states to issue new marriage licenses, meaning bans in more than a dozen states could once again be enforced. The implications would mirror the fallout from the reversal of Roe v. Wade, with individual states deciding whether to allow or block same-sex marriages. Couples who live in states with bans would likely need to travel to other states to tie the knot. The Supreme Court has not indicated whether it will take up Davis's formal request, but some justices have suggested overturning the Obergefell ruling. Justice Clarence Thomas wrote, after President Trump created a conservative majority, that the court should overrule decisions that prohibit state restrictions on gay marriages, contraception, sodomy, and some private consensual sexual activities. Recent polling shows support for gay marriage falling largely along party lines, with overwhelming support among Democrats and anywhere from 41 to 56% support among Republicans. For more unbiased updates, download the Straight Arrow News app or go to SAN.com.